Look, these last past nights got me mentally disfigured. Going through some shit, had me dreaming about some figures. How many times I flopped, my niggas been my witness. My flaws been my downfall, I'm not really clueless. Law of attraction, I see cash in my sight, and I might just kill for that meal. Like a richer meal, time ticks, so chase the thrill. Keep my day ones beside me, cause I know they're real. I got lucky this year, I got that nut on my head. I see that life, it ain't fair. I cannot grab out a chair in despair. Contemplating about the shit how I hear. Every day I'm 21, so I can't shed tears. And my fears, they creep in my sleep like nightmares. But who cares, cause I'm out here hustling. And my peers worry about the next beer they take. And the girls out of their mind, cause they way too fine. But I ain't stressing about that right now. Got my second win right now. My second coming is come. It's time for me to arise. It's time for me to arise. Look, okay, nigga, please get out of my face, nigga. Oh shit, nigga, all in my cup. Cause you talking to one of the greatest. Please get out of my face. Okay, nigga, please get out of my face, nigga. Oh shit, nigga, all in my cup. Cause you talking to one of the greatest. Okay, nigga, please get out of my face, nigga. Oh shit, nigga, all in my cup.
Cause you talking to
one of the greatest. Suck that I say this on rare occasions. Cause I'm amazing, learn the basics. The name Apollo, the one they call on. Cause I'm the nigga that they root for and burn the roof for. Had a dream like Martin Luther, I'ma be a rapper, maybe a boxer, something like Mike Tyson. Not so surprising, cause I be knocking niggas out since the 7th grade. Beggars can't be choosers, so I take it anyway.